So welcome to channel Code Buddy. Hello my Code Buddies. Today we will study about the array. So I have a question for you all guys. Have you ever kept all your shoes in a shoe rack? Maybe yes. Then each slot stores one item. That's exactly how array works. Now what is the array? The main question. The main question is what is array? The array is a collection of elements stored at a contiguous memory location. Contiguous memory location means that all elements of an array are stored next to each other. Means there is a shoe rack. We can think that this is a shoe rack. These all are slots here. This is slot 1, this is slot 2, this is slot 3, this is slot 4. Here we can store our shoes. Means if we think that the whole box is our memory space, and in these slots we can store our values, which is called this is called the slots where we can store our values. Main thing is this total box means shoe rack. We can say this is an array. Here is a collection of element. Means here I can store the sequence of number 1 to 4. I can write here 1, I can write here 2, I can write here 3, I can write here 4. Mean this is a here I can store the collection of the elements. Now the second part is contiguous memory location. Now in our computer there are some memory space. For every memory space there are some address are present. Means for each slot there are some address. For this means this is an array. We can say for this slot the address is 100. For this slot the address is 101, 102, 102, 3, 104, 105. Means here without any gap I need to store the elements. I can't skip this slot, and if I want to store 20 here, by skipping this slot we can't do this. Means we need to store in contiguous manner. This is called the contiguous memory location. And there is another thing, the index. Means we don't start here with 1. Here we start with 0. Means zeroth number is 10, first number is 20, second number is 30, third number is 40, fourth number is 15. Means 0th index is 10, first index is 20, third index is 40, fourth index is 50, and fifth index is 60. Now what is the need of this array? What is the need there, which is mentioned already in the definition of array? We need array to store the elements which are same type. Means we can store the integers. If we store one integers, means we need to store the all integer. We need to store in this slot the integers. If we store a string, then we need to store the all the string type. We can store the all strings types here. This is means mainly we use array to store elements, same type elements. Fixed size, if we allocate the array size 5, we can't change the size from 5 to 6 or 5 to 4. Indexing start at 0, I already mentioned it. Now how to initialize array? To initialize array in C++, I write what is the type of array I need to initialize. I need to integer type array. Means I need to store the integers in the array. So I write the integers, then the name of the array, and here in third bracket I write the size of the array. What is the array size I want? I want is a 5. In the then equal to, then in curly braces I write the value of the array. Here what 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Now you have a question that you can write in the comment section. I will give answer of all questions in the comment section, within the comment section. Now what operations we can do in array? There are generally most important are 4 operations. Okay, First one is access, second one is update, third one is find, fourth one is traverse. What is the meaning of the access? If I want to access the 30 element, I want to know what is the value of third index. From this array, if I want to know what is the index value of 3, then how can I know that what is the index value of the? For that, we write to the first array name, then write the index value in third bracket. By this way, we can access any element of array easily. How to update? I need to update the second index value from 30 to 20. Then I write the array name, the index value, and equal to the which value we need to update. And the second thing is that we can store a same value multiple times in a array. How can I find? For the find, we need to traverse all elements here. Now there is a question which tell you that you need to check that 50 is present in this array or not. For check this, we need to traverse through all the elements. What is the meaning of traverse? Traverse means went to the all element. Traverse and visit the each elements here. Means I need to visit all element and check the 50 is equal to or not. This is called find, and traverse means the visit all element. These are correlated, and now I find the what is the time complexity for each operation. For that, there is no need to find or no need to traverse. For the time complexity is O of n, mean constant. For update, there is also no need of any searching or anything. For the time complexity is O of n. And for the find, what is the time complexity? For the find, for the best case, the time complexity is 1. But for the worst case, I need to go last. So for the time complexity is n. N means the size of the array. For here, the size of time complexity n. And for the traverse, we need to traverse the whole array. For this, time complexity is O of n. These 4 operations are very important of the array. In the next part from tomorrow, I will make a video on some array question. At first, I will give you the important question of the array. Then I will solve it according to video and according to sequence. So for today's, that's it. Thank you for watching.